Welcome to the world of a new visual AI species, 360-degree object tracking holder, AI Genie. Open the box and take out the tracking holder. Unscrew the battery cover and insert 3 AA size alkaline dry batteries. Loosen the knob, release the phone holder, and rotate it to horizontal or vertical mode. Open the phone holder and slide the phone into the phone holder. You can download the latest version of AI Genie in App Stores or Google Play. Press the Power On button for 3 seconds. When red light flashing on, the tracking holder is ready to work. When the red light of holder keeps bright and app Bluetooth icon turns on, the tracking holder and app automatically connected successfully. Switch to the object tracking mode. Double-click the selected target in the camera interface. AI Genie can start video follow recording. Switch to face tracking mode. Pose and wait for 3 seconds. It can automatically start the recording and taking photos. The object tracking holder can automatically recognize your face. Wherever you go, it will follow, allowing you to appear in the seat position every second. Switch to pair mode. 2 faces draw close and wait for 3 seconds. AI Genie can automatically start taking photos. Show yourself. Accompany your family. Embrace your beloved. Play with your pets and have fun with your children. Release your hands and love freely. AI Genie is always by your side. 360-degree object tracking holder, AI Genie.